Hi friends, this is Apurv. I am in class 7 and in this video you will be learning how to make an app named Word Palindrome. In this app we will be checking a word which is palindrome or not. Okay, this is Thunkable tutorial number 5. So let's get started. So let's get started. I will be creating a new project named Word Palindrome. Okay, so create it. When it will be creating, okay, so our screen is opening. So this is our screen. So in this video you will be seeing the magic of columns and rows. So we'll be adding a column. Yes, now we'll be adding a column in there. Then again we have to add four columns. Okay, column, column 2, column 3, and column 4. In all of these columns we'll be adding uh, on the column 1 we'll be adding a label which will represent the word palindrome. Okay, and we'll design it word. You can change your project name as per your convenience. Font size should be 25 so it will be looking good. Okay, um okay, background color not needed. So the main thing we have to do uh, on our design is we'll be letting off the column 1 and we'll be adding a text input in column 2 where the user will be adding the text to check. So type the word. Okay, and the keyword type should be uh, default. And can we see the background color? If I'll be seeing here styling, yes, so I'll be doing it to white and I'll going to simple. Width should be 2, radius 75, and color should be black. And make sure you put this style thing to solid or dotted as per your convenience. Then adding the third component which is an label which we which with the text will be none, so user can not see the text. Okay, and the id should be label label result. Okay, and its id should be input. And in the column 4 we'll be adding a button. Inside the column 4 I'll be adding a button called check. And background color should be orange. How black is not looking good. Blue. Font size should be 25. Width should be fit content. And the width should be 2, or you can do it 5 solid. I'm doing it 3. uh yes, I'm doing it to black. And the label you are having, uh the font size should be 25. Color should be black, full black. Background color not needed. Font weight should be bold. Font style should be normal. Text align center. And the check one also, okay, it's great. So we have designed our app, and we are moving towards the block section. Okay, in the block section we will first initialize a variable. Variables, initialize app variable name palindrome to a text which has nothing. Then we'll be, when button check is click, I forgot to do one thing. You should do it beforehand. Button check, when button check is click. Okay, when button check is click, uh palindrome or reverse is a good variable name. Set variable, app variable reverse to this. We have to count with I from the of length of inputs text to 1 by 1. And set app variable reversed to, we should add a join one. And then we'll be adding app variable reversed here. And then in text get letter hashtag. um in text get, it should be inputs text I. Okay, so don't forget to put the I. And then two if conditions. So first I'll be adding two if conditions, and in that, I'll be putting two operators, logic here. This is the logic I have created. You can make your own also. No, you can do it by your way. um Text input text, uh inputs text to, Okay, just a minute. Um, Set label result text to. We have to use the join statement again, and what I'll be doing here, join input text uh, is a is a palindrome, is a palindrome, and I'll be copy pasting it. Is not a is a palindrome and is not a palindrome, and I do think our app would be running in no time. Let's get check it. So we'll going to the preview tab, and if I put a palindrome word like hey, hey is not a palindrome. I have to check one thing before I move on. Let's check it now. I think the live preview is not working till now. There's something problem in my code, I do think. And what's the problem here? Just give me a second. Okay, so I got my problem. It was not a problem, but it is very case sensitive. Thunkable is. So when I type hey, both are small in the last and in the end. So if I will check, it is a palindrome, and if this is a palindrome, but if my first letter is caps and my last letter is small, then it will not. Then it will show a big error. That is not a palindrome. Okay, so make sure you hit the like button and share this video and subscribe. And if you want to see more educational stuff like this, kindly share it and stay tuned with me.